Hey guys, this is Honey and welcome to my channel. Today, I want you to join with me as I will explore my new Cricut machine. I had it for Christmas and I just used it one time to try it out, and this is my second time to make, and I was able to make a label on my oat, sugar, and flour canister. So if you would like to learn, and if you are thinking about getting a new Cricut, or if you have a new Cricut and you're trying to learn, please join with me. After you set up your words in your laptop, then I'm gonna grab my green mat and then my regular vinyl, and then I'm gonna put it on your green mat. So I wanted to use black to make it neutral, and then you press open here on the side. And then you press the load arrow. And then you press make it. And then you press. So this is you can see that this area is where your words are, and then you press continue. So after you press continue, this one will be blinking. So you're gonna press this one, and then it will start to count. And then after that, I will use a cutter and a roller to cut the area of the paper just enough and remove the rest of the paper. and you weed the one in the center of the O and the A. So you need a weeding tool. So you got your letters ready, and then you're gonna grab your transfer tape. So normally I bought the transfer tape in a roll, then I cut enough size that is you need to use. I use it before on my project. You can use your transfer tape as many as you can, as long as it still sticks. So I am using this transfer tape 3 times already, and I'm still using it again. And then you just gonna open your transfer tape. Sometimes it's hard to open it. So after you use your transfer tape, you just cover it with this so it's still sticking, and you can use it over and over. And then I need this spatula, and then we're just gonna lay it down on our letters, and then I just gonna do it like that so the letters will stick on my transfer tape. And then you slowly remove it. During this time, I'm holding my weeding tool, so if the letter doesn't go, so I have to get a little help of this. So you get your letters now on your transfer tape, and then I will get my canister. So I have here my canister that I wanted to put that. Make sure you clean it. So I'll just gonna get a wet cloth or anything that will clean this one. So we will clean it with the wet wipes, just to clean the surface where you want to stick it, and then you dry it out. I am not too fussy about the distance, so I'll just make sure that I am in the center of my canister. I think I don't need to measure it. I just make it like center. Put it there. And then you just gonna make sure that you press it, so you're sure that the letters are sticking to the canister, and then you pull it out. You pull the transfer tape slowly. There you go. So I changed my mind because the first one I don't like the font, so I make another set. So this is the finished product of my tutorial today using the Cricut machine. Hope you learned a little bit on my tutorial today, and before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another video. Please take care everyone, stay safe, have a good day, and I will see you again on my next video.